Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on marketing with Mailchimp, full guide step by step clearly. Create a Mailchimp account if you haven't already. Visit the Mailchimp website and click on the sign up button. Enter your email address, username, and password to create your account. Confirm your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Mailchimp dashboard. Choose a pricing plan that suits your budget and needs. Start with the free tier if you have a small list and minimal needs. Import your existing contacts by uploading a CSV file or manually entering them. Segment your audience to send targeted campaigns. Use Mailchimp's template library for designing professional emails without extra cost. Plan your campaigns using the content calendar feature to stay organized. Consider automation features to save time on repetitive tasks. Utilize the A/B testing feature to determine the best performing content. Monitor your campaign performance through Mailchimp's analytics dashboard. Adjust your marketing strategy based on insights and metrics provided by Mailchimp. Explore Mailchimp's integrations with other platforms to streamline your processes. Take advantage of resources and tutorials available on Mailchimp's support page. Continue learning about best practices in email marketing to optimize your campaigns. Regularly clean your email list to improve engagement rates. By following these steps, you can effectively save on marketing with Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.